Everyone is still trading the old way. They're opening exchanges, they're switching wallets, and ultimately they're missing entries. Meanwhile, there's a faster way most people aren't actually using, and it all lives inside Telegram. Now, this is where Chhatito comes in. Chhatito is a multi-chain trading bot built directly in your Telegram. So there's no dashboards, no switching apps, and no delays. You trade straight from the chat. And it's all literally inside your Telegram window. So you get instant buy and sell across multiple chains, a built-in multi-chain wallet you control, you get sniping tools to catch tokens early, you've got all of the copy trading to follow smart wallets, you've got limit orders to automate entries and exits, and even an AI assistant to answer quick market questions. It's basically a mini exchange, plus a wallet, plus a trading toolkit, all in one chat. Okay, so this is the website here. So I'll put the link below as well. AI-powered crypto tools. You can trade crypto directly in Telegram on Solana-based Ethereum and BNB chain. Access token analysis, wallet monitoring, limit orders, execution features, and copy trading tools, all without leaving the app. So everything you can basically do in the app. So to open the bot, you just click on this button here. We'll do that in a second. So AI trading intelligence. Then if you go down, it's got the fast execution. It's basically everything that we just said, like limit orders, portfolio copy features, Telegram. Then yeah, it's got like their Gitbook here, and then their X, and also their Telegram for any support or anything like that. So let's go in and open the bot, and yeah, I'll show you guys briefly how to use it. Okay guys, so let's jump into it and I'll show you around how to use this thing. So you've got Ask AI up here, and then you've got research, you've got wallets, you've got referrals, you've got buy, where you can buy tokens, you can sell tokens, you can set underneath that, you can set your take profit, your stop loss. You can obviously do all of your limit orders. You can basically snipe tokens. And then if you click on my snipes, it's got everything that you've sniped and the history and stuff. Then you can do copy trading. If there's any like wallets or anything that are quite successful and you want to copy trade them, you just click on copy trading. And then you've got my copy wallets. So basically, if you're copy trading wallets, it will have all of the wallets that you're copy trading. And then you can basically send funds out, and you can bridge tokens cross chain as well. So say if you've got, I don't know, Ethereum, you want to put it on Solana, or Solana, you want to put it on BNB chain or something like that, or base or whatever. It's got multi-chain. So you can basically, what's it called? You can send it cross-chain, all right? So if we go on just, for example, Ask AI, all right? This thing's really, really cool. So you can write whatever you want in here, but it gives you some suggestions. So just for example, say you click on, give me a price prediction for Ethereum. So the AI agent's thinking, it will take a couple of seconds, and then it will basically come up with an answer. And you can do this on any token. So say if you're not sure of a token, you see something and you're like, okay, is this going to be good or bad or whatever? You can ask the AI to get a second opinion on it. So Ethereum price prediction, live data, it basically shows you the current price, 24-hour difference as well, plus 3.06%, 7-day difference, 30-day difference, then currently the market cap, and then basically the conviction at the moment is bullish. With caution, the sentiment is 87% strong, and then it basically give you the score here, and then 3-month scenarios, so it would give you like a 50% probability that's going to be fully bullish at like 50% increase. A base case, it's thinking potentially 30% probability, and then a bear case like 20% to the downside. And then it's got all of the details here, and then suggested entry, so entry strategy. So basically if it dips, then look for this target here. If it breaks, then watch that, and then enter above a certain target. And then it's saying like the position size and stuff. You can do this on small tokens, on big tokens, whatever tokens are on the blockchain, it will scan the blockchain, then it will give you its opinion based on data and based on the charts and everything and what's actually happening in the market. And it's a super, super useful tool. Okay, and then once you're done with that, you just click, literally press. You can also ask a follow-up question as well, or you can click done. And then if we go back to start again, then you can go back to this section here. Obviously, you've got your wallets there. Say if you want to buy something, I don't actually have money on this yet, but I can go on Solana, for example. Super easy. You basically just fill up the wallet. That's your wallet address there. And you just copy and paste the contract address, type it in, and yeah, then you're good to go. You can basically buy and sell. This is ultimately, you know, like Maestro bot, Trojan, what else you got, like Bullex, all of these bots. This is basically kind of a different level. So this has all of the same features as them, but it's easier to use. And you've got the AI assistant in there as well. So anything that you're not sure of, say if you want to check out a token, you want to be like, does this token look legit, or is the liquidity ratio right to what, like with the market cap, is Solana, like, is it locked or is it burnt or something like that, and you're fairly new, this bot, you can basically have everything in there. And instead of going off and finding different bots to try and do your research, you can basically buy, sell tokens, but you can also ask it questions, which can potentially save you money as well from getting scammed or something. So yeah, super, super useful. I think it's great. Go and check it out. I'll put the links in the video description. This is never advice on like what to do or anything in these videos, but I just show you what I'm doing in the market, what I'm seeing, and different tech stuff that comes out, different bots and everything. And yeah, I think this is really, really good. So definitely go check it out. I'll put the link in the video description. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below on any videos or anything that you want to see next that you want me to make in the future. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.